wrote, and yeah, they had a ball, and for the punishing of what the evil queen did to Snow White, they gave her fiery hot shoes until she drops dead. Anyways, let's go on to theory. So the theory. Nolan, would you like to say it?
Yeah. You hold it.
Okay, so the theory is that, did you know that if you don't know that when Frozen's mom and dad got lost in the ship or they died from the shipwreck, their brother could be Tarzan, because in the start of Tarzan, they said that their parents also died in a shipwreck. So couldn't that be that Tarzan is Frozen's lost son?
You're talking about the Snow White. I'll say about the Snow White one. Okay.
Alright, so Nolan talked about the Frozen one, so here is the Snow White one. We all know Snow White. She lived in the forest. Her dad probably got killed, so she lived with her stepmother. So yeah, and then could that be when she lived in that house? That house could have been the same thing as an enchanted house. That enchanted house looks the same, but did you not know that Snow White talks to animals? But how is that possible, you may ask? She's probably a fantasy.
And now, since about the Luca and all the other things from Rapunzel, Luca went on the tower of Rapunzel's, so couldn't that be Luca's friend was actually Rapunzel's little brother? And also, in Avatar, they could have said that they also lived in water. And since Avatar was living in the water, and when they saw a ship on the top of the water, couldn't that be Pirates of the Caribbean? And also in SpongeBob and The Little Mermaid, all those other things connect too.
Oh, sorry about that. I was looking up something. Anyways, if you didn't know about Cinderella, it's kind of complicated. She's kind of like Snow White too, like a fantasy. But if you didn't know in Snow White, that deer, if you look closely, you can see that deer is Bambi.
And also, that's also related to Tarzan, because Tarzan also saw a deer. So maybe their little sister was Bambi, so that means couldn't they saw Bambi from that? And also, in Kung Fu... Wait, is Kung Fu Panda a Disney movie? Okay, never mind. Anyways, you go.
I'm just looking up something. Sorry about that, but I was just looking up another Disney movie that I did not know. Anyways, if you didn't know what actually happened to Rapunzel, couldn't that tower could be the same from Luca? Well, could it be, you know Alice in Wonderland? Is Geo here? Yeah. Anyways, if you didn't know that Alice could be the same as Cinderella and Aurora's sister. If you didn't know, blonde hair. So, yeah. And Moana could be related to the Little Mermaid. They both were on a ship. And Finding Nemo, when Moana found that turtle so little, so Moana is connected to Nemo, so they could be connected.